How to replace the headlight bulb on a 2004 Toyota Camry. Now on this one here, the customer ended up getting pulled over by police for a headlight being out. I've already tested it out, turned on the light, found out it's the passenger side. And it's going to be kind of easy for this car here. I'm not for sure if they're all like this or not, but I know this vehicle has been in a head-on collision. I don't know if it's supposed to do this or not, but I'm able to pull the washer fluid out a little bit and move it. But if you move it just enough where you can access the light right here, all you gotta do is turn counterclockwise and pull the bulb out itself. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. If not, then on your guys' car, you need to take the headlight out to be able to access the low beam light. I've already got the light bulb out already, but all you gotta do, like I said, turn counterclockwise off the housing. I had to wiggle mine up and down a little bit while pulling it outwards. And you got the connector here. You want to push down on this tab while pulling the light bulb out. Now, on these headlights, they're hard to tell if they actually burned out. I got a tool that I can just connect to the connector here and make sure. Also, I will turn on the headlight and take a multimeter, make sure I'm getting a reading. But most of the time they are a light bulb, but for this vehicle here, I'm going to do all the steps, see if it's getting power to the light connector, and if I am, then I know the light bulb's bad on it. If you're not getting a reading on your connector, check your owner's manual for the fuse box. You might have a fuse for the headlights, but usually if the fuse is blown, both your headlights wouldn't work. So I'm assuming it's going to be the headlight itself. So once when you get your new bulb in, got your new bulb, go and connect it, and it's only keyed where it will only go in there one way, so you might have to look at yours and try to figure it out. Basically it should turn, let's say like this, push it in, then just turn clockwise to lock it into place. Don't forget to get it connected. Hope this video helps you out.